All right, Matthew, this one's for you. 2020 Ram 2500 Bighorn. This is probably my favorite package for any one of our DT trucks. All the right bells and whistles, nothing you don't need. There's that long box you were asking about. Backup camera makes lining up a trailer easy. You do have a box liner equipped already, ready to go. Sport package on this as well, which gives you the monochrome bumper treatment. Towing mirrors, I'm not sure if you've seen those before, but they do flip up in the event you do need to tow. Power folding mirrors as well, press that button. Watch those go right away. Auto up down on the driver's and passenger's front windows, power mirrors, power locks, power adjustable pedals as well, automatic headlamps, cruise, Bluetooth, Motley Crue as well. Now this also has that Alpine stereo system in it. Adjustable center console, reach right across, slide that back. You still got access to it dead center. Tons of storage space. Dual USB, trailer brake, and of course diesel exhaust brake as well. Upgraded cloth on these Bighorns, power seating with the bolster, great for those long drives. Let me know if this is the one. 403-902-0434. Take it home today.